What's up guys, thank you. So Mi 9 has been rumored to launch this month. The phone is expected to come with a bunch of new features including a faster quick charging technology. The Mi 9 will come with 3 rear cameras. The cameras are arranged vertically just like those of the Mi 8. However, the LED flash now sits outside the setup instead of between the sensor. The Mi 9 doesn't have a rear mounted fingerprint scanner, which means it should come with a display fingerprint sensor. The rear of the phone is covered in glass, which we believe to be the Gorilla Glass 5 like its predecessor or Gorilla Glass 6. The Mi 9 has a reflective finish and this variant is blue. The Mi 9 will come with a Snapdragon 855 processor and will be available in multiple configurations. Xiaomi's president already confirmed that we will get an Explorer edition that should come with additional features not found on the regular variant other than a transparent back. One of the features we hope Xiaomi brings to the Mi 9 is wireless charging.